Hey, John, your data guide here, and today we're going to look at code refactoring for data science. And now code refactoring is the idea of taking code you've already written and improve it for either readability and or performance in terms of speed or memory. Now for illustrating the speed version of this, the speed improvement, I'm going to take the plot ECDF function I took from the ECDF video, and I'm going to change how the y-axis is generated. Now, the problem here with the y-axis as it is that I called the length function twice. This is a mistake that was alluded to me from my data scientist friend Tony. So to make this more efficient in terms of speed, I'm going to cut the amount of times that we call the length function. So instead of calling it twice, like we originally did, I'm going to call it once, get the length, and assign that to a variable. And in doing so now, so when we create the y-axis, instead of wasting time calling the length function, for exchange of a little bit of extra memory, I'm just going to take the value that's in memory and use that to generate the y-axis. So just changing that up, we get our version 2 of the function, again highlighting the changes with the hashtags here. And just to show the actual improvement, we're going to check the runtime of each of these functions. So doing the original version takes about 5/100ths of a second. Going back to the new version, about 3/100ths of a second. So overall, we saved about 2/100ths of a second. Now that amount of time doesn't seem like much, but think about if your data was really large, right? Or if you're running an ML application or a web-based dashboard that your user is using and you want that thing to run as efficiently as possible for that person. That saves time. That makes things run smoother for that small little bit of memory exchange. So I hope this was a cool example for you to get into code refactoring, or at least from a data science point, understand what code refactoring is, because it's not a topic that's talked about much in data science. To give some more practice or some more examples, definitely check out the PyBites article by Julian. He runs through some pretty good general examples in Python about how code refactoring should look. And again, even go through your own code, right? Specifically, go off of this example that I gave and try to find some instances in your code where you're calling a function more than once and see if you can drop it down to just a single instance. And then maybe it's a value you can refer to or something along those lines. So you get the practice. So again, in summary, code refactoring is used to either, again, improve readability for your peers or improve performance based on speed or a memory metric, depending. Again, in this case, we did it based on speed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, or let me know in some sort of way, even through my contacts here, what you thought. And also give a shout out, if you get a chance, to Tony Fischetti. He's my data scientist friend from the New York Public Library that pointed this out and generated this video. So again, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.